Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to lock your WhatsApp application, how are you going to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you that how to lock your WhatsApp application without even installing another application to do it. So watch this video till the end and let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp application. Then you need to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From there, you need to go to settings. In settings, you need to go to privacy. In privacy, when you scroll down, you will find the app lock. You need to tap on app lock. And as you can see, this is disabled. You need to enable it. So once you enable it, there is two options. One is fingerprint, the other one is face. So if you want to have a face lock, you can select this one. If fingerprints, then you need to do that one. And then your application will be unlocked using any of these options. So suppose I go with the fingerprint or I will go with the face, and here you can select automatically lock immediately after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. So if you're not using the WhatsApp application, you just back out of your WhatsApp application, it will lock immediately. If you want it to lock after 1 minute or 30 minutes, it depends on you. And then you can also enable or disable this option, which say that show content in notification. So if you want it, then you can do that as well, but I don't want the content to be shown in the notification, so I will disable this one. Then you need to back out. And now if I open the application, as you can see, I can use either a fingerprint or a face here, and I can use the pattern that I set on my phone as well. So guys, this is all it takes to lock your WhatsApp application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.